Hello and welcome. Thank you for registering for our class on non-toxic living and essential oils. I'm excited to have you on board and look forward to getting to know you better as we embark on this journey together. Throughout this class, we will explore the fascinating world of non-toxic living and delve into the many benefits of essential oils. It's a fantastic opportunity to learn how to lead a healthier life and harness the power of natural solutions that essential oils provide. Our class is not just about education, it's about community and sharing knowledge. You'll have the chance to connect with like-minded individuals, exchange experiences, and discover the incredible potential of essential oils. I'm here to support you every step of the way. So please don't hesitate to ask questions, share your thoughts, and engage with the class. Let's make this a fulfilling and enriching experience for all. Once again, thank you for joining us, and I can't wait to explore the world of non-toxic living and essential oils with you. Let's make this journey filled with discovery, growth, and wellness. Here's to a fantastic and enlightening class ahead. See you on the other side.